In this video tutorial, we will explore the interface of the Customuse editor so you can customize your very own AR lens for your clothing brand. Once you click on the augmented reality category at the top, you will be able to see all the different AR templates that are available for you to customize. Once your template is selected, on the left, you will find the tools that you can use to add things to your design. On the bottom left, you will find the 2D texture view of your design, and in the center, you'll be able to see the 3D view. You can switch between both views by pressing the button in the center. You can also switch between viewing your design in the 3D view to viewing it as augmented reality and try it on. If you look on the right-hand side, you can see the list of layers on this template also. Let's start by changing the color. Select one of these fabrics and change it to whatever you like. We can also switch on the Material tab to select a different texture to make it look more realistic. You can adjust the size and transparency of the texture. Now, let's add some extra features to this template. You can add your very own images using this button here and upload a file of your choice from one of your devices. If you have created a PNG file already with a specific design on it, you can upload it using this feature and it will show up on your 3D view. Additionally, you can also draw right onto the design as well using the 2D view. Let's make the 2D view a little bit bigger so we can see what we're doing. If you're planning to write something, there is also the text button to press to find a font of your choice to use on your template.